How to track inventory in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can keep track of your orders, the quantity of the products that you have, and also after each one of the products has been sold, you're going to get your inventory set up. The process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going basically to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we are on the H panel or the dashboard of our Hostinger account. Then we are going to head over the left side of the screen, click on websites, then we are going to select the website lists. From here, you're going basically to see all of the websites that you have. Make sure at least that you have added a store to that specific website that you are going to put the modification to or track the inventory of. So you can go ahead and distinguish that this is a store or a website containing a store by seeing the cart and also the manage store label on this button. So the dashboard, as you can see, button in here, that means that this specific website does not have a store. So you can go ahead and add it by clicking on edit website, and then you are going to add a store page. Now let's head back to the business, click on manage store. And from here, we are going to see the e-commerce section of the website. Now what are we going to do is to head over the specific products that we have, click on products, and then we're going to see the inventory. As you can see, this is in stock inventory. Now, what are we going to do to modify the specific inventory in here and keep track of it? Click on the product, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit, and you are going to see the title, the subtitle, the description, and etc. Now, we can go ahead and add or track the quantity. Click on track the quantity, and then you are going to add your quantity in here. For example, for this product, we have 100 units. So we are going to save, and as you can see, the specific product we have here is 100 units. For the unidentified or the undefined, as you can see, products, you're going to have them only in stock. But this one, whenever a person is going to buy a product from this one, it is going to be decreasing the number of the units in here. So you can keep the track for that. Also, we have another option, which is going to be for the options or the, as you can see here, the specific, let's say here, not only the options, but the variants. You can go ahead and add, for example, a variant for it, for example, size. And then we're going to put here L. For example, here we are going to put another size, which is going to M, BM. And then we can go ahead and manage the variants and set up an SKU, also set up or track the quantity of it. For example, you're going to get the case of here 100 and here 100. You can increase or decrease it as much as you want. And whenever a specific order has been made from one of the quantities in here, it is going to be decreased by the number that has been ordered. Basically, you can go ahead and click on save for everything in here, and here you have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.